Hi guys, so today's maths video is just on how to quickly multiply any two-digit number. So for example, you'll learn how to quickly in your head multiply 43 by 56, anything like that. So firstly, I'll just show you with a random two numbers. So let's do 22 times 54, for example. So the first thing you do is you multiply the tens and the tens. So 2 times 5 equals 10. Then you leave a gap, and then you multiply the units. So 2 times 4 equals 8. And then you multiply them and add them. So 2 times 5 equals 10. So then you do 10, 2 times 5 plus 8 equals 18. You put the 18 in here, or you put the 8 in here. You take the 1, you carry it, and you swap that for a 1. You add 1 to that because you've carried a 1. If that was 28, you'd add 2. So then the answer is 1188. So another example is 88 times 32. So to do that, first you do 8 times 3, which is 24. Then you leave a gap, 8 times 2, which is 16, but just remember that 1 is carried. Then you got 8 times 3, 24, plus the 16, which is 40. So you just put the 0, you carry the 4, so this turns to an 8, because 4 plus 4. Then you carry the 1, so this turns to a 1, so then you got 2816 is your final answer. Another one could be, I don't know, 99 times 16. So you've got 9 times 1, which is 9, draw a line. Then you got 9 times 6, which is 54. So you put 4, carry the 5. Then you got 9 times 1 plus 54, which is 63. So you put the 3 in, carry the 6, so that turns to 15. And then carry the 5, so that turns to 8. 1, 5, 8, 4. There we go. Thanks guys. Please like and subscribe. New videos weekly.